Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to do drafting of reinforcement in two-way RCC slab. So let's start with this tutorial. This is the details of slab that we are going to draw. According to these details, there are two slabs S1 and S2. S1 will be 2000 mm by 3200 mm. S2 will be 1800 mm by 3200 mm. Main span reinforcement will be 8 mm at 150 center to center alternate bent up, and other span reinforcement will be 8 mm at 150 center to center alternate bent up. So let's start with the drawing. Here I have opened a new drawing sheet in my AutoCAD software and I have already set the limits and units. If you don't know how to set the limits and units, please refer to my previous videos. Now first we are going to draw the beam layout. For that I'll take the layer. Here I am already having these layers for beam and column. So I'll take the layer for beam. I'll take the rectangle command and draw the slab. We'll give dimension as 2000 by 3200. Now we'll give the beam thickness, that is 2300 by offset command. So enter. Now we'll explode this rectangle. We'll give offset of 1800 from here to here. Again from here we'll give 230. Enter. Now we'll extend this line by using extend command. We'll have to explode this rectangle also. Now we'll extend these lines and these lines. We'll trim the extra lines here. We'll use this fence method. Now we'll place the columns at the corners. For that we'll take rectangle command. We'll give dimension as 230 by 300 and we'll hatch this as solid. Now we'll copy this column to the required destinations. We'll place it here at this point. Now we'll just mirror these columns to the other side. We'll take mirror command, select this column and take this as a midpoint and mirror it. So our beam and column layout is done. Now this is a slab S1. We'll do the naming here. This is a S1. We'll put the circle here. We'll copy this and this is a S2. We'll take scale command and reduce the size of this namings. And we'll move it here at the corner. Now next we are going to draw the reinforcement details. According to details, main span reinforcement will be 8 mm at 150 center to center alternate bent up, and other span also 8 mm at 150 center to center alternate bent up. Now here the reinforcement details for main span and the other span is same, but whenever it is different, always remember that the main span reinforcement is always provided along the shorter span. Now here I am going to add another layer for reinforcement. We'll give name as steel. Color will take this. So OK and set it current and close the tab. Now next we are going to draw the reinforcement details. For that, first we'll mark this crank distance. The crank for reinforcement will be provided at a distance of L/4. So the distance L/4 will be the dimensions of this slab is, this is 2000, then this is 3200, and this is 1800. So L/4 distance of 200 will be 500. So we'll give offset here of 500. Enter. We'll take this line and this line, and the L/4 distance for 3200 will be 800. So we'll take offset of 800 at here and here. Again same for this slab. Now the width is 1800. 1800 by 4 is 450. So we'll take offset of 450 here and 450 here. Say enter. Now let's provide the clear cover for beam. Clear cover will take 30 mm. So we'll give offset of 30 to this beam, this one, this, to the every beam. Say enter. Now we'll start with our drawing. Let's take line command. Click on this point. Click on this point of crank. Now a crank will be provided at 45-degree angle. So we'll give angle, we'll give distance, tab, angle will give 45, enter. Now we'll draw this line till this point, this crank point, because our alternate bars will rest on this slab at L/4 distance. Now again take line command, start from this point, click at this point. Now again give a crank at 45-degree angle, but while drawing the angle from this axis will be 135 degree. So we'll give crank here at 135 degree, put the ortho mode on, come to this point and say enter. Now we'll move this line a little down and say enter. Now we'll give L here at this point. Take line command, click on this point and click here, enter. Again take a line command and give L here. Now we'll draw the reinforcement along this LY axis. Again take line command, click on this point, click at this point. Now put the ortho mode off. Now at 45-degree angle we'll give crank, put the ortho mode on and click on this point. So enter. Again take a line command, click on this point, bring it here at this crank point. Now again we'll put the ortho mode off, provide the crank, and put the ortho mode on and click here and say enter. Again we'll move this line, again provide L here for this bar and this bar also for these bars. Now for this pen we'll give reinforcement. This reinforcement along the LY axis will be same because the length is same. So we'll just copy this, from this pen to this one. This reinforcement will remain same. Now we'll draw the main span reinforcement. Take line command, click on this point, click at this crank point, provide a crank at 45 degree, but here we'll take at 135 degree. Put the ortho mode on. Now this bar will rest on this slab, so we'll click it here and say enter. Again take line command, start from this point, click it here. Now we'll give crank at 45 degree, click on this point, say enter. Now again give L to these bars and these bars. Now here along this beam the extra bars will be provided, so we'll draw the extra bars here. It will be from this point of crank to this point of crank. Now these extra bars will show dotted, so we'll just change the line type to hidden and say enter. Now we'll delete these extra lines. We'll delete these dimensions also. Now next we'll do the naming of these bars. For that we'll take multi-leader, click on this bar, we'll add another leader here and show this bar. Now take multi-line text. Here we'll change the text height to 70. Now we'll type the distribution bars. "8 mm dia at 150 center to center, alternate bent up." Now again we'll give multi-leader here, add another leader and show this bar also. Now we'll copy this text here. We'll change this to main bars. Now again we'll do naming of these bars. We'll take multi-leader, show this bar and add a multi-leader and show the other bar. Copy this text. Copy this. Now we'll name this extra bars. We'll type extra bars, 8 mm dia at 150 center to center. Now we'll show this distance. Take linear dimension and show this distance of crank. This is 500. We'll just rename it and we'll type L by 4 is equal to 500. Again we'll do the same here. We'll rename this and say L by 4 is equal to 500. We'll show it here also. So here we have provided distance of crank. We'll also show this distance of this extra bars from the beam to the edge. So here we are done with the drafting of steel detailing. So hope you all have understood how to do drafting of steel for two-way RCC slab. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.